Okay, hello everyone. My name is Shriyash Gulhane and I am Microsoft Student Ambassador. So today we are going to learn about GitHub Copilot, which is a AI programming. So what is Copilot? Copilot is your AI programming friend, your guide in your development journey. So let's understand what it is exactly. So it is an AI that builds with you, that's help you code, that's help you speed up your development process. And so is it magic? No, it is not a magic. It is just AI in the backend. So what is Copilot? It is developed by GitHub, which is owned by Microsoft, and also with OpenAI. So it uses different models from OpenAI. So what are these features? It helps if you write a comment in your code, and it will help generate the code for you. So there are two types of ways to access GitHub Copilot. One is in the VS Code with the extension, and another is GitHub Copilot CLI. So we see both ways, and we'll conduct a demo of the GitHub Copilot CLI, and we'll do the project right here live. Okay, so let's start. Also, it's help you if you are writing code, and it will help. It will suggest the code for you to speed up the process. Also, it will show the alternative ways of doing things, like coding different function, correcting the grammars errors that you are getting. So this is one of the way, and it can help you brainstorm different ideas to code. It can help jog your memory what you have done 2 days before. So this is also helpful. So it is a most widely used AI programmer helper in the world. It was developed with mind to help developers, and it is a very good programmer. So let's see what the people are using it for. So people are using it for like here we have English. The user of the English code for English language. We have these parameters, and it suggests the France and Italy. So it is generating code as you write. Okay. So what else is that people are using it to write good documentation. So it will suggest good documentation as you write. So you can accept on the fly. So there are a lot of features that users are implementing, different types of innovative ways of doing the programming. So these are the examples, a few of those examples. So how do you use it? You just install it, go to your VS Code and just install the extension GitHub Copilot. So, and what are its benefits? Is it boosts your productivity. It boosts your it reduces your time to do any project. Also, it is less context switching. So if you are developing, you write some code, but you face an error, and then you go to internet or Google it or go to ChatGPT and ask it for help me correct this code. But here in GitHub Copilot, the error solving is happening in the fly on the VS Code itself. So you don't have to switch tabs, you don't have to switch to different browser. Okay, and it is now the security implementation, like you have a SIP key that you do not want to expose. So it's help protect the key as well, the key as well. So are you still confused? So let GitHub Copilot help you. And so what are the statistics that what is the benefits of having this? It is you have better completions. You put less efforts on repetitive tasks. you like spend less time switching tabs and all, as well as you stay in the flow. You just have GitHub VS Code, and you all the project is done within. And as well as you have so you get less frustrating as a whole. Okay. So if you use GitHub more and more, you will get used to it, and you will be confident, and you will be happy of using it. So another way of doing accessing GitHub Copilot is CLI. So CLI is a terminal. You can use GitHub Copilot in a terminal. So we will see the demo of this, and we will see the power of GitHub Copilot. And so we'll cover a lot of topics. So we'll see. Okay. So let's start with the demo. What I want to do, you have done Python project, right, in the last semester. So I want some of you to suggest me what project should I do in this slide demo. So any ideas? So think of what projects you have done, and I will implement the same, maybe along similar lines. So suggest the project you did, and I will do that here on the line without touching any. Yeah.
Like, are you looking for like predictions like that?
Any project you have done, not very complex, but okay, means we have less time, but we'll see.
Diabetes prediction based on the parameters, whether the person has diabetes or not.
Okay. Okay. I want another like suggestions. Yes.
Student registration dashboard.
Okay. Okay. More ideas.
Healthy alternatives for daily used items like brush. So an eco-friendly alternative for it would be wooden brush, using a wooden brush. Or for toothpaste, it could be using in short, in your daily life, things that you use, uska eco-friendly alternative.
Okay. Suggestion in the back.
A blogging app.
Blogging app. Okay. So we'll start with blogging app, and please pay attention. I will take a quiz at the end and see who scored the highest. Okay. So let's see. Okay, I will start the project with the creating new folder. Newsletter, right? Blog posting. Blog posting and open within the VS Code. Okay, so to start with the GitHub Copilot, we have two ways, as I said before. So this is one way to ask Copilot here directly in the chat box, in the bot structure. So here, but I am using a different way, a better way for developers. To start with, I will just type Copilot. Okay, so see what is happening. Okay, so this is a terminal for using Copilot, and this is here you can write commands and see what is happening. So I will help you the prompt for this project. So I want to college. That's submit. Okay, that's submit technical docs on current programming languages. Okay, so I will also ask this to suggest any questions for me. So see the matching of GitHub Copilot. So I will submit this. So what is this doing? It is searching for the idea and it is generating a plan that will create a project. So this is the prompt that I am getting. So what this is asking, what should be the first version scope for your college blog app? Okay. So I am selecting that include the categories in the and the search in version 1. Okay. So this is gathering requirements. So it is also asking it is who will allow to write blogs. So I want students and faculties. So I will select that. I am using my arrows keys to select. And what should publishing work? How should publishing work? So admin approval before publish or auto-publish immediately or faculty auto-publish. So I want my faculty to approve my post before it is posted online. So I'll select that. So I am not writing any code. I am just prompting the GitHub Copilot, and it will create files. It will code by itself. I don't have to write single code. So this is what is happening here. So another question for me, which platform do you prefer for implementation? So I want to build up for the So these questions are getting additional context from me because I just give a simple prompt and did not get into details. So do you want me to start by building project now with practical stack? So do you want one stack or not? So yes, but suggest a stack first because I do not know one stack. Maybe some of don't know. So I want him to give me suggestion and then act accordingly. So let's see what is giving. Okay, recommended stack is React White, Tailwind, Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. So should I proceed with the stack? So I'm selecting that I want another stack. I do not want like GitHub. So I'm asking if I want Python. Okay, use Fast API, which is a Python library for developing web framework. Python React, simple. I will just go with simple HTML CSS. It can also do React as well, one stack as well. So for given time, we will choose HTML CSS and do use select for backend. Okay, so I'll just submit. Okay, what is this doing? It is giving me the plan to create a project. So it has given me, I will now code working web app with role-based design, logins, blog submission, faculty, auto-publish, as well as student post pending approval, admin approval, and it is creating a list directory. So, so, so it is also suggesting me the way to do to face a particular project. So it will start with set up fast API project. Then it will implement the role-based apps authorization. Then it will implement blog workflow. Then it will implement search and UI pages. So then later it will run the app validation and then set up structure or blog flow and search UI. So these are, it is explaining me the steps that it will implement. So I have power to either accept or reject this project. So I will just say yes and approve. So it is creating the files for me. So it will take some time to create projects, create files and code. So right now it is using OpenAI GPT 5.3 Codex model, but what can I do? So these are the libraries it will be using. So I said yes, approve. It has created a requirement.txt all by itself. Then now it is moving forward with the project and creating the files. So we just see what is going on. So can you tell me, have you used this AI in your work? Have you?
No.
Like maybe you have used the like you are coding in the VS Code, but when you need something code, you switch to ChatGPT, Gemini, then come back, paste the code, run the code, and then whether then you will validate or test it. So, but here what we are doing, we are just giving the prompt to the AI. So it is going back to the GPT 5.3 Codex. So it is a coding AI by OpenAI. So because there are general AIs and this is specific for coding. So right now it is creating the files. So it is, see that I did not create any files before, but it has created files for me according to the project. So it has created, and it is still building the, now it is building UI. So first build the backend, then it is going forward with the UI. So we'll see. So if because this is limited, like even if you have a subscription for this, you will still have a limited like usage. So you can use for particular like tokens. So tokens are words that AI is generating. So you have limited tokens within month, maybe for a day. So what we have to do, you cannot just go wild and do lot of experimentation. You have to be conservative in your approach. You have to give a better like context to this AI. So you have to be so that is why I asked this AI to give me a question, to ask question to me. So I'm answering its question, giving better like output, like giving better aspect of the project. So it is not generalizing, means it is not giving me random project, it is personalizing to me. So prompting is a very like it is important, essential for this, for using GitHub Copilot. Okay. will take some time because it is creating the files. So let's see what the files it has created. Okay, it has created static files, CSS, and template like HTML code. Okay, so let's see what is doing. So there are a lot of commands that we can give. Like I do not want to use this model. I want to use another model. So what can I do is I will just go here and give the prompt like. Okay, so by giving this prompt slash model, it is giving me options to choose from. So I have model like GPT 5.3, 5.2 and variants of GPTs. So here have you heard of Claude? Yeah. So Claude is very popular right now. So I can also use Claude models here within this platform. So later I want to choose this Claude 4.5 plus. Okay. So because it is not so I'll choose a better, cheaper model. So choose Opus 4.5. Okay. And it is now using Claude Opus 4.5. So I can switch models in between. So this is one way. So if you want different types of commands, you just use slash. If you want to give commands to the GitHub Copilot, you give slash and choose this different model like commands to this. So first let us see if it has. Okay, so the project is complete. Now I want to run this project. So I'm not giving like code like I'm not giving it any I'm not giving any prompt to the terminal. Means I'm not going typing Python app.py. I'm not opening by myself. I will ask this to open and run the project. Okay. So it is asking me can I run this command because it is not it is asking me to do certain actions like creating a file. At first it asked me in the terminal itself, should I create this file? I said yes. Only then it is creating the file. Without approving the changes, it is not doing anything without my approval. So I am in the control, not the AI. Okay, so to run, it is asking, do you want me to run this command? So I will say yes. Okay, so would you like me to help with anything else? So it has already run the command to run this project. So I'll just click this and open my browser. Okay. Okay, let's see. First it is asking me to run this. Yeah, it is I do not want to I'm just following the commands of Copilot. So we'll see how far I go. Now I run the first command, this one, and then it is asking me to run this command. Okay. So it is started. I just ignored. At first I ignored the commands it is asking me to do. So let's see. So pay attention here that the project has run it has created a files and then the code by itself. I did not have to create any files at all. So this is very beneficial for me. So it is asking me to register. So I'll register with this. So I'll see what is. I'll just log in. Password is admin. So I'm the admin, and then so it has like you can see the name here, right? So I'm like posting it, like it is about topic is React. Categories I'm selecting is JavaScript. Then the tags. Okay, first I have to post the tags. Okay, so I'll submit here. Create the post. Now I do not want to like go and type the post. I will ask this to create a post for me. So I'll just copy this, and my time is saved. So this is not a chatbot. I can run parallel commands like, can you tell me what? So the first command is already running, but I am just giving another command to run. So this is not a chatbot, it is a Copilot. I can give multiple commands. When the first command is run, only then it will run the command, second command automatically. So this is not a chatbot, it is a Copilot. So it has given me it has given me all the data that I have. Like it has explained what is I asked it to what is authentication in this project. So it has given me all those like how exactly it has implemented the security and authentication. So this is low access and admin. Okay. So it has created the dummy username password as well. So this is great. To see the so I'll see what is it has done. Okay, it has already done the project like dummy changes for me. Like it has added some post. Okay, it has already added the post for me. So let's check. So let's say I want to first I'll just title is I will submit it. I will log in with the admin. I will log in with faculty and see if I can approve the changes. Okay. Okay, I pasted an email, the password. Okay. So now it has logged in and it has already created a dummy blocks by itself. Okay, so this is faculty and so it has these are published one. So these are the post I am seeing. So what is where is my post? So let's see. Okay, this is not showing that where faculty has to approve certain every post. So it has not given this feature. So I'll ask it to create this feature. Okay. So next step is I'll ask it to Now this can be a complex problem, so I want to think this problem with go deeper. So I want the AI to take a long time to think through for this problem and then come up with a solution. So what can I do is there is a thinking mode in the GitHub Copilot. So what I do is switch to shift and tab. So I'll just tab it, and now it has come to the plan mode. So plan mode is where certain features are complex, and I want to take the time to develop this. So think through and give me the solution. So I just switch on the keyboard, switch shift and tab, and it has come on the plan mode. Okay, so okay, so I will just give this. Now it is thinking harder. Like this is like a going to into research and then come up with a plan, but take time while doing it. So it will take a long time now. So in the GitHub Copilot, you can see what action these are taking. So it has shown me that it has read some certain files, line 40. Then it has created the some like file, but it has already existed. Now it has created to-do list for itself. Then it has implemented those. So I am seeing this. So yeah, to-do list, do this certain task, then make the changes, and it is asking for me to review. Okay, so first change is it has updated the require admin. So it has done the changes that I asked. It is now it is required to do the moderation. Then it has done the changes in the front end and the back end as well. Okay, so now it is asking me, so it has done the changes, but so it is asking me to approve the changes. Okay, so accept plan and build on the Copilot. Okay, so before doing any actions, it is asking me for permission. So I will just for now I will give all permissions, and then making changes to the existing files. So it is implementing the faculty moderation. So I can see the actions the agent is taking on the fly. Okay, now it has done the changes, and it is asking me to run this commands. Okay, so I'll run those commands as it is instructed. So I'll just go here. I'll just first close this app. Clear. I'll just open one. Now, as instructed, I am just following its command, and then I already did that. Delete this database, then run the project. Okay, now I'll visit this. So I log in. Now there is a register page. So I log in with the admin username. So sorry, faculty. Okay, email and password. Okay. So now the moderation tab has come for me. So here we can see this new feature I asked it to create and it has created. So I want to approve this, so I'll approve. Okay, and so I will see this one like this post-it visible to everyone in it is online. So like so we have done this demo. Okay, so now we have a quiz. So open Wayword. So let me open the quiz and okay, I'm starting the quiz. Okay, get ready.
Question. Which of the following is primary command used to initiate an interactive session with GitHub Copilot in your terminal? Option 1 GHAI. Option 2 Run Copilot. Option 3 Copilot. Option 4 GitHub Copilot.
Okay, first I have given 20 seconds, but later quizzes are actually having 10 seconds. So you have to be quick and give the answers. Okay, I'm just giving the first answer of it because I didn't want to. Okay, first is server. Second is Shubham. Kashyap. Please stand up. Maybe they have made the judgment not, but they have
अभी मल्हार है फर्स्ट सबका होने के बाद
So how do you like this session workshop? Okay, can you tell what you have learned? Yeah, one by one. Yeah. Okay, can you tell me what new things you have done? Okay.
I just have to record this.
Yeah,